Getting started with a clean desk. The first step is to clean out your desk. This includes removing all unnecessary items and then organizing the remaining items into 3 piles: action, project, and reference. You should also make sure that everything has a place on your desk so it's easy to find when you need it. It is important to have a clean desk for various reasons. A clean and clear working space can have a huge impact on productivity. It is important to have a workstation that is not cluttered with too many things. If the workstation is cluttered, it will be difficult to find what you are looking for, and it will also make the job more tedious. An organized workspace makes it easier to find what you need when you need it, whether that's a pen or a specific file on your computer. A clean desk helps you focus better on your tasks at hand. It also provides you with a sense of orderliness and organization that can help you be more productive in the long run. A clean desk also makes it easier to find what you are looking for when needed, which can save time in the long run as well. The second step is to create a system for everything that you do on a daily basis. This includes creating folders for projects or tasks that are ongoing, setting up alerts for when deadlines are approaching, and making sure that you have an inbox for all of the things that come across your desk throughout the day. There are 2 types of desks, L-shaped and U-shaped. The L-shaped desk is best for people who want to work on their computer, while the U-shaped desk is best for people who want to work on paper documents. Creating an awesome workspace. In order to create an awesome workspace, you need to have a designated space that is solely for work. It should be comfortable, inviting, and inspiring. Some of the things you can do to make your workspace more inviting include hanging up some artwork or photos. Adding artwork or photos to an otherwise plain wall is a great way to make your home or office feel warmer, more inviting, and personalized. It can also change the mood of a room on a dime. Decorating with plants or flowers. Flowers and plants are a beautiful addition to any room. They are easy to maintain, smell nice, and can make anyone smile. There are a variety of flowers that will work well in any setting, including office spaces. Flowers in the office can help improve morale and productivity, which is why they should be gifted to coworkers during the holidays or on their birthday. Setting up a small table for snacks or drinks. Setting up a small table for snacks or drinks can be done quickly and easily. This is the perfect space for entertaining guests, hosting a small dinner party, or just making a quick snack. Here are a few steps to make your space welcoming. Putting your desk in front of a window so you can look out at the world. Research has found that workers who have views of nature are more creative and productive. Being able to see the outdoors can lower stress levels and increase focus. One study found that people who work in offices with windows are 13% more productive than those without. A good place for a desk is in front of a window, where there's enough room to have a chair, which provides more comfort and better posture than. Tips for using convenient and inexpensive supplies. The best way to save money on art supplies is to buy in bulk. This will help you save money on the cost of the items, as well as the shipping. Another way to save money is by purchasing items that are not brand new. You can find some great deals on gently used items that are still in great condition. If you are looking for high-quality supplies but don't want to spend a lot of money, consider buying second-hand or refurbished items from a store like Amazon or eBay. Styling your desk to make it more inviting and inspiring. It is very important to make your desk look inviting and inspiring. If you want to be productive, it is essential that you have a good working environment. One way to create a more inviting and inspiring desk is by styling it with plants, flowers, or other items that are aesthetically pleasing. You can also use pictures of loved ones or inspirational quotes on the wall to make your desk feel more inviting and inspiring. How to get rid of clutter at your desk. Getting rid of clutter at your desk is a great way to improve your productivity. It may seem like a tedious task, but it can be done in just a few hours. First, start by sorting everything you have on your desk into two piles, one pile for items that you need and one pile for items that you don't need. Home offices can be cluttered spaces, but one of the best ways to get organized is to tackle your desk. Whether you work from home or in an office, a cluttered desk can lead to burnout and low-quality work. This can end up costing you a lot of time and frustration. However, one of the best ways to conquer your clutter is by tackling your desk. Next, go through the pile of items that you don't need and throw them away or donate them. The next time you need to declutter your home, use this checklist to make sure you donate or throw away any items that are toxic or hazardous. Finally, organize everything in the pile of items that you do need so that they are easy to find when needed. It's important to get your things in order so you can find them easily when you need them. It's also a good idea to keep a tidy space like your desk because it'll help you stay more organized. The path to a well-organized office space. When you are in a well-organized office space, it is easier to do your job and to focus on the tasks at hand. The following tips will help you get organized and stay that way. Create a system for storing files. Create a filing system that will accommodate all of your needs. For example, if you have two types of clients, then create two separate folders for them in your filing cabinet. It can be difficult to keep your home office organized. There are many factors to consider when setting up a filing system, such as what you do for work, what file types you need, and how many clients you have. To make it easier, I've compiled some helpful tips on how to set up your own filing system at home. Label the folders so it is easy to find what you are looking for. You probably know this already, but it is one of the most basic organizing tips: labeling your folders. This will save you time and energy in the long run and ensure that you can find what you need when you need it. Place files where they will be used most often. For example, if you use Excel spreadsheets for work, place them near your computer or laptop so they're handy when needed. Files are all over the place on your computer and it's hard to find what you're looking for. If you place the files where they'll be used most often, it will help eliminate some of the hassle. Keep frequently used items close at hand by placing them on shelves or other surfaces near where you work most often. One way to reduce the amount of time spent searching for misplaced items is to group similar items together. For example, you might place your keys, handbag, and phone on a shelf near the front door. Items that you use less often can be stored in drawers or cabinets elsewhere in the room. Store items out of sight that are not used often or are seldom needed, such as old documents or office supplies like printer ink cartridges and paper. Store items out of sight that are not used often or are seldom needed, such as old documents or office supplies like printer ink cartridges and paper. Items that are not seen are more likely to be forgotten, so it's important to store them away from sight.